Hello and welcome to Prudent Media News. Now a look at the headlines. Rajya Sabha MP and member of Standing Committee Shantaram Naik terms Anna's agitation as directionless, says Kejriwal Bhushan's conduct questionable, accuses them of stealing draft of Jana Lokpal from an NGO. Sanctioned government jobs becomes a bone of contention in ruling arrangement. Cold war begins within congressmen. Defection of BJP MLAs and promise of jobs leaves many leaders fuming. High Command summons CM and GPCC President to Delhi. Party upset as some ministers took unilateral decisions on inductions and resignations. Goa Law Commission submits draft of Lokayukta to the government. CM under Lokayukta. Lokayukta under RTI attempts on to table the bill in the upcoming session. And Goa Football Association disappointed with delay in Nehru Stadium floodlights work. It's time to push the panic button, says GFA President Srinivas Dempo. And now the news in detail. Member of Standing Committee on Lokpal Bill Shantaram Naik has slammed Anna Hazare's movement by terming it directionless. He raised questions about Arvind Kejriwal and Prashant Bhushan's character. He has alleged the Kejriwal-Bhushan duo of stealing the draft of Jana Lokpal from a known NGO.
पण ह्या मुवमेंटातली एक गजाल तुमकां सांगता महत्वाची म्हणजे ह्या मुवमेंटाची दिशे सुरवात पळय आसा ती बरोबर नाशिल्ली. ताणें दाखयलें की पार्लमेंट म्हणजे कांय न्ही, संसदेची गरिमा सकल उडोवपाचो प्रयत्न प्रत्येक दिसा जालो. अण्णा इज क्लीन आनी ताजी टीम कोण कोण म्हणल्यार खबर नांव दोनां नांव जाणा बेजिकली. एक केसरीवालजी भूषण आनी हांची पळय कितें क्लिननेस हांव म्हणना पूण तांचो पळय ऑब्जेक्टीव आशिल्ले ते धड नाशिल्ले इतलें हांव म्हणटा. तेन्ना सुप्रीम कोर्ट एमिनंट लॉयर हरीश साळवे तो आमचे मुखार येवपाचो आसा आनी 5-6 नामांकीत NGOs ह्या सगळ्यांचे विचार आमी वेवस्थीत आयकून घेवन जितले पळय तांचे विचार पळय हे विधेयक प्रबळ करपाचे आसात ताजे आमी म्हजे तरी हांव तरी स्वागतूच आसतलें तेन्ना. म्हाका एक मनशान पयर सांगलें की एक बिल विधेयक ज्याचे अण्णान आनी अण्णाच्या लोकांनी हाजो विचार सुद्दां केलो नाशिल्लो अशे वेळार एक व्यक्तीन एक NGOन हे मसूद तयार केलो आनी थंय प्रशांत भूषण आनी केसरीवाल आसले त्या कांय बैठकी जाल्यो ताचे नंतर हे दोगांय नाच जाले आनी त्या लोकांनी अण्णाक फुडें काडून एक नवें विधेयक फुडून तो मुवमेंट सुरू केलो.
ब्युरो रिपोर्ट, प्रुडंट मीडिया.
Allotment of sanctioned government jobs has become a reason of cold war between many heavyweight Congress politicians. With elections approaching fast, Congress leaders from all constituencies are pouncing upon each other for a share of sanctioned jobs quota. Some ministers are trying to defect BJP MLAs by promising jobs to youth in their constituency. This has become a reason of concern for many senior Congress leaders.
ज्या डिपार्टमेंटांनी पोस्ट येयलेले आसात की हेल्थानूच येयला अशें ना न्ही.
So the chief minister has assured you 100 jobs.
What happened? The jobs are there in different departments.
Okay, but who has given you the assurance that you will get 100 jobs?
What they have told me, that there are so many jobs in the different department. So at least I will get 4 to 5 in different. So I can come to 100.
These words from Rajesh Patnekar exposed how jobs are traded with opposition MLAs for defection and political benefits. BJP criticized the government heavily for this arrangement.
100 नोकऱ्यो मुख्यमंत्री, हेल्थ मिनिस्टर आणि अन्य मिनिस्टरांनी ताका प्रॉमिस केला. सांगला काय ना तुमकां? दिस इज अ डायरेक्ट केस ऑफ करप्शन. ज्यो पळय नोकऱ्यो आसा त्यो गोंयच्या भुरग्यांक मेळूंक जाय आसा तितल्यो.
Congress activists say that some heavyweight ministers are using jobs allotted to them to strengthen their position in the party. They also claim that these attempts are made keeping in mind post-poll benefits. Now, young Congress leaders are threatening to agitate if the jobs are allotted to some particular MLAs and constituencies. in favor of some particular ministers.
Will he not be antagonized because of this nepotism in certain government departments? हो प्रश्न हांव चीफ मिनिस्टराक घालपाचो आसा आनी ताका मागपाचो आहा की ह्यो ज्यो नोकऱ्यो दिता ताजेर ताणें एक दोरो दवरचो आनी सगळ्यांक सगळे गोंयचे सगळ्या वाठारांच्या लोकांक न्याय मेळपा खातीर ताणें आपलो एक एटेन्शन ताजेर घालचें आनी जर तो मेळना जाल्यार आमी एजिटेट करतले हें आमी व्हेरी क्लियर आसा.
The issue is becoming more and more complex with unrest growing within the Congress fold. Strong contenders for Congress ticket from different constituencies are opposing induction of BJP MLAs in the party. Moreover, they are concerned about the promise of jobs made to BJP MLAs by Congress ministers. People like Sudeep Tamankar have already filed a police complaint claiming that promise of jobs is an indication of mass corruption. Tamankar has named CM Vishwajit Rane and Rajesh Patnekar in his complaint. Bureau Report, Prudent Media.
High Command has summoned CM Digambar Kamath and GPCC President Subhash Shirodkar to Delhi. Sources have revealed that High Command is unhappy as some of the ministers have taken some major unilateral decisions without taking party hierarchy into confidence.
CM and Subhash Shirodkar left for Delhi late on Monday evening. They are summoned to Delhi to seek report on current political developments in the state. Sources say that High Command is upset as some of the major decisions regarding induction and resignation of some leaders were taken individually by some ministers without taking party and government hierarchy into consideration. Sources have confirmed that induction of Rajesh Patnekar into Congress is postponed following the massive show of strength by Naresh Sawal in Bicholi on Monday. The week ahead is expected to be full of upheavals considering High Command's immediate summoning of CM and GPCC President. Bureau Report, Prudent Media.
State Law Commission has submitted a draft of the improvised Lokayukta bill to the government. CM and all government servants will come under Lokayukta. If this bill is passed, Lokayukta will have its own investigation and prosecution wing. Accused will have to disclose their assets. Lokayukta will come under the RTI Act as well. Goa government is expected to place this bill in the forthcoming assembly session.
Chairman of Law Commission Advocate Ramakant Khalap, Advocate Cleophas Coutinho have submitted the improvised Lokayukta bill to the Chief Minister Digambar Kamath. According to the bill, Lokayukta will be empowered to investigate any case under its purview. Chief Minister, MLAs, government servants, NGOs and individuals getting grant of more than Rs 1 lakh from government and foreign or public contribution will come under Lokayukta. A High Court judge is qualified to be a Lokayukta or Upalokayukta. There will be a special Lokayukt codes. Lokayukt will not have to take permission to investigate and prosecute corruption cases. Every individual investigated by Lokayukt will have to declare his assets. If assets are found beyond proportion or limit, then Lokayukt is empowered to seal bank account and confiscate the property. Accused will be transferred or suspended till the case is underway. Every government department will have to publish its citizen charter. Each and every case will have to be disposed within 1.5 years.
I feel that with this bill, corruption will be curtailed in a big way because here the big fry and the small fry, all are included. No, one is a Lokayukta, there could be one or more Upalokayukta, depending upon the workload. कि आम्ही काय काय लक्षात घेतलं गोवा पब्लिक मेन्स करप्शन इन्व्हेस्टिगेशन अँड इन्क्वायरी ॲक्ट जो पास झाला होता तो आम्ही लक्षात घेतला. आम्ही गोव्याच्या विधानसभेने पास केलेला लोकायुक्त ॲक्ट होता तो लक्षात घेतला. लोकपाल बिल 2011 लक्षात आम्ही घेतलं आणि त्याचबरोबर जनलोकपाल बिल सुद्धा जे काय त्याच्यामध्ये होतं त्याचाही आम्ही अभ्यास केला.
That every complaint will have to be investigated within 6 months. And the court is obliged to dispose the matter within 1 year. So the moment you file a complaint, up to the time the trial comes to an end, maximum time should be 1.5 years.
The detailed Goa Lokayukt bill is available at www.goalawcommission.gov.in. Law Commission has also submitted a draft on Maya custodian property issue.
I'll try to bring in both these. So these are two very important bills report which you have submitted.
मयेचे अलोक म्हणजे we'll examine it, but if possible we'll try to do.
Our senior reporter from Panji, Rakesh Kanolkar, with video journalist Devendra Gaonkar.
It's time now for a short break. Stay tuned.
Namaste.